Every gummy begins not in steel, but in soil.
Harvest becomes chemistry. "72 hours to unlock the starch." Separating the pure from the raw. Clarity is the goal. Concentration through heat. The foundation, stored and waiting. From collagen to bounce. Patience unlocks the protein. Heat draws out the gel. Removing the last trace of impurity. Transforming liquid into glass. Reduced to a perfect grain. Mold, meticulously managed. The reservoir releases.
3 kilometers of heated steel.
Gelatin arrives in liquid form.
A sealed connection guarantees purity. Warm, viscous, alive. Acidity, delivered dry.
Verification before release. Flavor lives in the cold.
Sweetness, stored in silence.
Concentrated power, waiting for release.
The mold that shapes the bear.
Dryness must be exact.
The factory consumes.
Constantly.
Digital traceability, from source to stomach.
The recipe, assembled for one purpose.
No driver required. No hesitation. Raw materials become something more. Through the arteries of the plant.
40,000 square meters. 100 million bears per day.
The boundary begins here.
Identity confirmed. Intent assumed. The uniform of purity.
"45 seconds. No exceptions."
Loose particles do not proceed.
Between every task, sanitation.
They see the magic. They cannot touch it.
The recipe is law. The scale is judge. The foundation measured to the decigram.
Sweetness, added by vacuum and gravity. Purified. Heated. Precisely dosed.
Dissolution. Dispersion. Integration.
Gelatin wakes slowly. It cannot be rushed.
Now it begins to have body.
Sugar solids? Exactly 78.5%.
Color is identity. This batch becomes orange.
4 seconds.
100 oranges, concentrated to milliliters.
Thickness is texture. Texture is quality. Air is the enemy of clarity. Perfect temperature. Perfect patience. Perfect readiness. Perfect temperature. Perfect patience. Perfect readiness.
The slurry weights, the starch weights, the mold weights.
Batch 24087 released for depositing. The Mogul. 40 tons of starch. 40,000 impressions per hour.
A blank canvas. 100 bears per tray.
Negative space, soon to be filled with life.
The moment of transfer. Liquid becomes shape.
30 nozzles, 30 bears. 1 heartbeat.
80 milliseconds. 30 lives begin.
milliseconds, 30 lives begin. 200 bears per second, no hesitation, no variation.
24 hours. From liquid to gel.
Starch breathes. Bears set. Time passes.
24 hours. The bear is ready to leave its mold. 24 hours. The bear is ready to leave its mold.
Birth. Covered in the dust of creation.
The dust falls away. The bear reveals itself.
The gloss is not cosmetic. It is the final seal.
Surface moisture must leave. Internal moisture must remain. 15 minutes. 15,000 bears. One consistent result. Dry. Glossy. Complete. The slip. The shine. The final touch.
Order from Chaos.
lane by lane.
Springiness is not accident. It is engineering. %8 water. 82% bear.
Heat relaxes. Cold defines.
Cool, firm, ready for judgment. This is the bear. Measured, tested, perfected. Now it must be counted.
The gloss is not cosmetic. It is the final seal.
$5.2 grams. The law of the bear.
Zero tolerance. The scale does not negotiate.
Tray by tray, layer by layer, the bear accumulates.
Measurement without touch. Verification without delay. Every bear has a number. Every number has a meaning. Even the rejected have a future. Dissolved. Reborn.
Random, representative, untouched. The master bear. The eternal standard.
Tested. Verified. Perfected. Now they must be named.
Every word, every number, verified at 200 meters per minute. One web becomes many, each destined for a different line. Flat becomes round. Film becomes bag.
The mark must find its mark every time. "12 months from today, the bear's expiration.
40 bears. 142 grams, no more, no less.
12 bags. 1 case. Perfect fit. Adhesive binds. Pressure holds. The box is whole. Every box has a name. Every name has a destination. Pattern precedes stability. Stability precedes transport. Compression creates stability. Stability survives the road.
9 cases. 1 movement. Absolute precision.
45 cases. 1,080 bags. 43,200 bears.
The human eye. The final verification.
Tension binds. Film protects. The load becomes one. Every corner reinforced. Every edge protected.
This pallet is now unique, tracked, traceable, ready.
No driver. No delay. No deviation.
Every pallet has a place. Every place knows its pallet.
The journey pauses. The warehouse holds. Tomorrow, the road.
40,000 pallets. 1 million cases. Silent. Waiting.
The order is digital. The movement becomes physical.
paper confirms what the computer commands.
Through the canyon of inventory. Toward the designated bay.
3 pallets ordered. First pallet retrieved.
The truck arrives. The product departs. First pallet, deepest in, last out.
3 pallets. 1 destination. Secured together.
The factory breathed. Tomorrow it begins again.
From cornfield to candy aisle, the bear is complete.